Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Pelumi here. So today is a collaboration video with Love Igho. Her name is Igho and her channel's name is Love Igho. I'm gonna leave a link to her channel in the description box, so please do check her out. First time I came across the channel, I was like, you need to have 1 million subscribers. Like, content on check, quality of editing on check. Like, her channel is so good, so please do check it out. And it's amazing to have a collaboration with her, even though we are miles apart. So today's going to be a very simple DIY. It's going to be like a shirt transformation. I don't even know what to call it. I saw the idea on Pinterest and I pitched the idea to her and she accepted. So thank you so much, Igho, for collaborating with me on this video. So like I said, I'm not sure what to call this. It's anyways, my goal for wanting to do this was to use the leftover sequin fabric that I have. Let me just show it to you guys. So I have this leftover sequins fabric Pinterest and searched for ideas, and I found this idea. So I'm gonna be adding this sequence to these t-shirts. I have my t-shirts here. I found this beautiful snake print t-shirt at H&M, and then I have also this white t-shirt from where did I get this from? Pick and Pay. Pick and Pay clothing. Pins. I'm sure you've seen this millions of times. Measuring tape, my scissors, seam ripper and fabric chalk, as well as my ruler, matching thread. I'm gonna use this white thread. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So to ensure that everything is equal, I'm gonna measure like 3 inches, or let's say 2 inches down from the armhole, and I'll put a pin there just so I know exactly to what point I'm going to stop seam ripping. So yeah, 2 inches from the armhole to seam rip my shirt up to this point on both sides, and then I'm going to cut off the front panel. Okay, now I have seam ripped both sides, and I'm also going to do the same to my other t-shirt here. Now I'm going to cut this up. Let's get my cutting straight practice. Yes. 6 inches. Adding a few centimeters for seam allowance. Okay. Let's see how many inches I need for my other fabric. 9 inches. Part off. It's looking good. Yes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is join this together with a straight stitch with 1/2 inch seam allowance, 1/2 inch seam allowance, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna join everything on the side and finish the raw edges with a zigzag stitch. Make it all neat. Okay, now let's go to the sewing machine. So I have pinned up the sides now, and I'm gonna join with a straight stitch and finish up with a zigzag stitch like I have done for these, like this. Okay, it's very easy and we're done. I like it. And you don't have to use sequins if you're going to try this out. You can use any contrasting material that you have. And I'm so glad I found this snake print. It's working really well. Yep. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this DIY project. Please do give it a try, and if you do, share it with me on Instagram at pelooms.secrets on Instagram. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends, and get crafting and DIYing together. And have fun while you're at it. Okay, bye.